when water, stone, dirt, and grass meet, they create Bird Simulator. A peaceful, wonderful world where I never load in. See that quail? See that quail right there? That bird, that bunny that probably will be eaten by an eagle. A peaceful land that once again never loads in for me. Sorry, I raged there. But back to what I was saying before. When water, stone, dirt, and grass meet, they make ugh. I am raging. What the heck? Fine, guys. Let's just do dodgeball, because, that's literally the only thing that we can do. Because, Roblox doesn't seem to really like me at the moment. Oh, I see a faint. Okay, that sounds like it right there. So, yeah, let's... Alex Neutron presents Loading Asses. Oh, did I seriously just say that? Sorry, wrong word. I meant assets. I didn't mean to say what I just said. Anyways, look at this, guys. Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful this is right here. Okay, my derpiness is totally the beast. Okay, my hat is now going to be... Should it be a doge? Yeah, it's going to be a doge. I got my muscly shirt. Check out these pants. I don't want these pants on. No. This face must go. This. Actually, nah. Perfect. My dodgeballs are ball, 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 egg. What? No. That's 100 Robux. And I don't got that kind of money. But until then, look at me. Look at my greatness. Guys, I paid Robux for this doge. See that doge right there? I paid Robux for that. You see, guys, I used to be obsessed with this game. So obsessed that I would literally buy everything I could possibly get with Robux in this. I bought a doge. I bought an egg. I bought a lot of stuff, okay? I was literally obsessed with this game. And now I shall be once again. So, let's start. Let's do some bowing. Like, guys, we need to bow to this thing. We need to bow. Let's do this. We're bowing. Sleeping is just chillaxing. Wait, okay, so that's like that. Oh, come on, Red Team 1. Guys, I love this little thing, though. Like, this game is just so simple, but incredible. Like, guys, like, how is that possible? How is a game, like, so simple, but just so awesome? Like how does that takes skill, guys. That takes skill to do. It takes skill to make people, like, literally beg and, like, want to spend every moment, every minute of their entire life on the game. No! These muscles. No. Well, I should be happy the red team won the last game, but I was on the blue team then. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at that name tag right there. Where's this guy? Gotta see him. Where is he? Probably not even here. Oh gosh, why am I being hit by everyone? Just throw your balls and hope to hit someone. Throw my egg. Yes, I got someone, I think. Just grab a ton of balls. Yes, I got someone. Okay, let's just hit everybody with our dot. Oh gosh, no! Why? Cruel world. Oh, darkness, my old friend. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna pause the video. Oh, wait. Blue team won. It was the blue team. Me. My epic pose. I got hit 1 KO. How much money do I level? I wanna level up. Okay. I got this, guys. Let's do this. Let's go. Yeah, I'm just gonna stretch. Team scramble. These never go well. I never get scrambled usually. What? I was gonna say I didn't. Okay. Ow. My tactic in this game is to just crazily jump and don't get hit. It's a good tactic if I say so myself. Did I get him or is it someone else who got him? Yay, I got him. Okay. I knocked another person out? Ooh, nice. You guys what I mean by I said I play this game a lot? I'm just grabbing infinite balls and then I'll be all set. Hey, this guy's throwing my egg. No! No, this guy is throwing my egg. No. I don't want him to throw my egg. No. No. Well, I guess, guys, that's it for this video, but yeah, guys, I must choose the player of the day. And the player of the day is literally the first person I see who it looks awesome. And I choose Roblox Boys. It's the guy that just came on, so on the screen. I choose him. He's going to be he is the player of the day. So congratulations to you, the Roblox boy. You are the player of the day. Well, I shouldn't really say because I'm recording 2 videos, so player of the video. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is Cool Gaming, signing out until next time. Bye.